light, water, and nutrients. We really can push the quality ceiling of how cannabis is produced by erring more and more towards natural production strategy. For the first time, we have the chance to arm our cannabis specialists with the cutting edge of agricultural specialization, agronomy, and science. And this environment serves the plant in every meticulous facet of its infrastructure. My name is Dan Sutton. I'm the CEO and founder of Tantalus Labs. We built our company in the QA paradigm of medical cannabis, which is really taking an agricultural product and ensuring that it's consistently clean, absent pesticides, and repeatable over time. That is what allowed us to take those almost pharmaceutical principles of consistency and deliver them again in a recreational offering. We've really fallen in love with this concept of clean cannabis. Here in British Columbia, we've got such a beautiful natural environment surrounded by mountains and trees, really clean water, and all we need to do in this environment is take those inherently perfect natural conditions and nudge them into the right direction by controlling the environment in this greenhouse. Our product development cycle here at Tantalus Labs takes about 18 months from the time that we pop our first seeds to the time that we're ready to deliver a consistent product to market. We really take our time so that all of the products that we grow and phenotype from seeds specifically, they are all unique to our company. We want all of our buds to end in our consumers' hands as a really kind of squishy, nerfy feel, that they know that this was preserved in a careful and meticulous way. You may recognize some of our strain names, you may recognize some of our products, but when you try the Tantalus Labs variants, you're gonna get something that you've never had before.